Hello guys, in the last video I have shown you how to use open file dialog with your Visual Basic Windows form application. So I have created a simple form, and when I click the button it was able to open a open file dialog, and in which we can choose any file from that. Now in this video I will show you how to open or execute any exe file with the help of your Visual Basic Windows form application using your open file dialog. So suppose you want to open a PDF file or a doc file or a web browser or any executable application which you can open with your mouse click event. How better it is, or how good it is, if you can be able to do it with the help of Visual Basic. So let's see how we can do it. So I have this button, and I will change the text of this button as open exe file. Okay, and now I will just double click this button, and in the last video I have shown you this code for open file dialog. It's nothing but it's opening the file dialog for us. So we have set the filter for showing all the files, and we are checking that its path is correct. So just write if open file dialog 1 dot show dialog is equal to dialog result dot OK. Then if the path is okay, then we will be able to open any exe file. So just write here uh, system dot diagnostic dot process dot start, and in the bracket what we will do is we will copy this open file dialog 1, which is our open file dialog name. This is, by the way, our open file dialog 1. If you don't understand how this come here and how to use open file dialog, just watch the last video of this playlist and you will be able to understand what it means. So I will write open file dialog dot file name. Okay, so this is a code for opening any exe file. Okay, so just write system dot diagnostic dot process dot start, and then in the bracket pass the argument open file dialog 1 dot file name. Now let's run the program, and I will click this button, and let's try to open some files using this. So for example, I want to open a Google Chrome browser from my Visual Basic. So I just click this, and you can see it. Yes, it has opened the Google Chrome browser. Or for example, I want to open a PDF file. Some PDF files they are here. So I will go to the desktop, and I want to open, let's see, this PDF file. I click it, and it will open that PDF file. Let's see if it opens or not. Okay, so it has opened the PDF file. Now for example, I want to open some more programs or some more files. For example, I want to launch this VLC media player. So I can just double click it, and it will open the VLC media player, as we can open with the double click of our Windows application. Just wait for a while. Yes, it has opened this VLC media player. Or you can open any executable file which you can open with your mouse's double click, right? So I hope you have understood how to open any exe file with the help of this Visual Basic Windows form application, and I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.